Hey y'all, today I'm trying out some products from HASK Curl Care line, and they sent these to me, so I thought why not just try them out. Sometimes I've seen them in the stores, but this is my first time actually trying them. So I went ahead and rinsed out my hair with some warm water for about 2 minutes, and then I grabbed the shampoo. This is their moisturizing shampoo. It contains coconut oil, argan oil, and vitamin E. And for the most part, it definitely cleansed my hair and it didn't leave it really stripped, which is great. So it definitely was moisturizing. It just felt like any other moisturizing shampoo I've used. Nothing really significantly different. So now we're moving on to the deep conditioner. I rinsed out the shampoo with warm water and I grabbed the deep conditioner, put a little bit on my head while I was over the tub, and then came up, made my three big sections so I could apply it and let it like soak into the hair, like apply it in sections. So I'm starting in the back and I'm just working my way up the back. I just use like gigantic rows and I like to just smooth it into my hair like this. What do I call this? I forget what I call this method, but this is the method I use to smooth in my deep conditioner. I like to take my time, make sure I smooth it from roots all the way down to the ends. So this deep conditioner comes in like a tube container. It's called the Intensive Deep Conditioner, and it's also made with coconut oil, argan oil, and vitamin E. So this deep conditioner, it says it has long-lasting frizz-free curl retention and definition. I felt like this deep conditioner definitely did soak into my hair. It didn't clump the curls as well as some other deep conditioners I've used have clumped my hair, but it definitely does work and it's a great option to use as a deep conditioner. So yeah. Oh, okay. So the method I use is called raking. Raking. I use the raking method to smooth my deep conditioner through my hair. But yeah, so this deep conditioner, I would definitely recommend it. It does work well. However, I did use it during this wash day and I have the container in my hands now. I feel like I have one wash day left out of this container. So yeah, there's that. As far as the shampoo, I definitely have plenty shampoo left over. Usually shampoo goes slower and conditioner I usually use up like really quick if there's not a lot in the container. So yeah, so I'm almost done applying the deep conditioner. I like to just smooth it just to encourage the curls to clump up and for my hair strands to just soak up the nutrients from the deep conditioner. So yeah, so I like to work in the side sections again, raking, doing the prayer method. If you see that my curls look a little limp here, that's because I started out on stretch hair from braids. My hair just came out of braids, so that's why my hair is a little stretch here, but it definitely shrinks back up and I didn't lose any of my shrinkage or health. So once I was done with applying the conditioner on the sections, I just like to do the raking method one more time all around my head using just a little bit of deep conditioner and warm water and just smooth it onto my hair. Just, encouraging all my hair to clump together. So this deep conditioner wants you to let it sit for 10 minutes. So that's what I did. Then I rinsed it out with warm water and my hair actually looked nice and juicy. So here are the results. I didn't show you guys me rinsing it out. But yeah, here it is. And they look so nice and juicy. So now we're going to go ahead and style. So I'm going to do my bang first. I'm going to just make the bang 3 twists. I'm going to first use the 5-in-1 leave-in spray. It detangles and protects curls. I just spread it onto the whole section. Knowing it's a spray leave-in, I know it's really light. And then I followed up with the curl defining cream, which is basically their styler. And this was basically like cream form. Yeah, it was really soft afterwards. My twist felt really soft with the leave-in and the curl cream. So I do like them using them together. I don't know if I use the leave-in by itself. I never have, so I can't recommend that right now. But yeah, so the leave-in and the curl cream are both made with coconut oil, argan oil, and vitamin E, just like the other two products. So once the bang was done, I just moved on to the rest of my head. I made sure that all of the sections were medium sized twists. They were nice and juicy. Again, if you think my curls are a little loose here, that's because my hair was stretched previously, but my hair definitely did re-shrink up. So yeah, so once I was done twisting, I just let it air dry. This is like an hour later. They were like almost dry, but not really. But yeah, so I went ahead, went to sleep. This is actually 2 days later. The next day, my hair was dry 100%. However, I didn't feel like taking them out. I was being lazy. So yeah, so we're here on day 2, taking out the twist. I just like to unravel and recoil the ends around my finger, just to encourage my hair to have some definition on the ends while having volume in the middle. So then I went ahead, fluffed it out, shook it because it needed to be shaked, because I like volume, so I'm going to shake my hair. And I just love how much volume I already have. This is day 1, and there's so much volume and definition at the same time, and I really like it. So yeah, guys, check out HASK Curl Care line if you want to. I'll link them down below. Thumbs up this video if it was helpful. Check out more of my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.